found in all living organisms, except some viruses where RNA is genetic material. Now we have to isolate this DNA from the cell. And the cell from which the DNA is extracted is plant cell. So the plant cell, as it has got cell wall made up of cellulose, the cell wall has to be digested to isolate DNA out from the cell. So it is treated with cellulase enzyme which will digest the cell wall and the DNA is isolated from that cell. But the DNA isolated is associated with various macromolecules like protein, lipid, RNA, etc. So specific treatments have to be done to obtain the DNA in a purified form. So the treatment is done with protease enzyme which will digest the protein associated with DNA. Then ribonuclease enzyme is used to digest RNA associated with DNA. Like that, specific treatments are done to obtain DNA in a purified form. After that, chilled ethanol is used to precipitate out the DNA.
Come, let's have a quick look on the materials required for this experiment. A piece of banana. Any plant material can be used like ripened papaya, green peas, etc. But as banana is readily available, I am using it for this experiment. Then common salt is needed. Hand wash is used because it contains all the enzymes needed for extracting DNA. Then chilled ethanol is needed to precipitate out DNA from the solution. A beaker of water, strainer, glass rod, beaker, test tube. Here we are going to start the experiment. Take a ripened banana piece and put it into the beaker. Smash it with the help of a glass rod. Add little water into the beaker which contain banana. Then put little salt into it. After adding salt, a few ml of hand wash is added in the beaker. Smash it thoroughly. This smashing will help to separate the cells. Then filter it through a sieve. The filtrate is collected in a beaker. From the filtrate in the beaker, about 5 ml is taken into a test tube. After that, chilled ethanol is poured into the test tube without disturbing the filtrate present in the test tube. On adding chilled ethanol, a white precipitate will be seen at the top of the filtrate. This white precipitate which is seen here is DNA which is isolated out from the ripened banana piece.